No.
These are really good. Your lips are a little red now.
My mouth is orange. Nice one. Right, do I do red lipstick or no red lipstick?
Just spread the Doritos all over your mouth.
Hey, party people! Welcome back. I cut my hair off. Just gonna do that already. And I like it. I don't know, tell me if you like it. I like it.
I think it's Betty Boop.
Right? Vibes, serious vibes. Today, I'm coming at you with a formal get ready with me or a get ready for formal. The dress is white, so we're going for serious goddess vibes. And after Googling it, that's a lot of gold, so I'm disappointed to say that this is probably going to be a neutral look. This look's probably going to be made up on the spot because I have sort of ideas of like little things that I want, but I haven't thought of like the whole idea, so I guess we'll just see what happens. Basically, we're starting now. Before I start doing makeup, I'm gonna start by priming my whole face with a Tatcha Silk Canvas primer and putting some lip injection on just for like big events. I like use this, and I feel like you have to let it soak in for a little while before you put any lipstick on for it to work really well, so that's why I just do both of these things in the beginning so that everything is completely soaked in by the time I'm done with my eyeshadow. If you don't like rub this in the right way, it gets like weird. Like it like clumps up on your face. Like you have to take like small dabs of it and like rub it really well into like one part of your face and then like move on. That's probably the only thing I have to say about this is like weird in application. We're going to be starting off today with the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in shade Pine Nut and a flat packing brush to prime my lid. Boop boop. Fast forward. Next, I'm going to set my eyes with the Born This Way ethereal powder. I use a dome-shaped brush for this because I used to use my beauty blender, but then I felt like when the powder got damp, it just didn't really like work the same. Like, I don't, do people when they do that, do they use a dry beauty blender? Because I was always using my wet one and it really like just never worked the way I wanted it to. If it wasn't obvious, for today we're going to be using the Norvina palette. And for today's look, like I said, it's going to be a lot of gold tones, probably not varying from that just because the dress is white and I was kind of going for like a naked glitter look. Sorry. I'm gonna be starting with shade Eccentric, which is this like warm tone brown on the bottom, and I'm just gonna be taking this and buffing it out in the crease. Next, I'm going to be taking this small packing brush and be dipping into shade Incense to just deepen the crease, like right in the outer corner. Then I'm going to take the packing end of this brush and dip into shade Summer and just put that all over the lid. Yeah, basically my trick is if you do a really lazy cut crease and don't like redo the concealer, it looks really smoky. Right? Is this not like my go-to?
Yeah,
like if you are lazy as fuck, this is for you. When you're blending your crease, just angle the brush up and you literally like don't even have to use more concealer if you don't want to. You see me slaying with this? Yeah, I'm really not a brown girl. That's wrong. Hold on, let me see if there's something better to say. I'm really not a neutral tone person, to be honest with you. Like, this is kind of sickening to like do. I would rather wear color, but the dress is white, and I just like, it is so vibes. Everyone will see soon enough. Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spend 10 racks on a new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name. I can't buy no bitch a wedding ring. Gucci. I have no explanation for my behavior. Oh, bitches, we're moving on to the face. Alright, hold on. I gotta get it wet. Okay, we're moving on to foundation now, and I'm using Too Faced Born This Way foundation in shade Light Beige. Okay, since we're having a shade match error, I'm taking my Marc Jacobs in shade Ivory Medium 14, and I'm going to use it as a concealer because it's so full coverage, and I'm going to try and like make this look more normal. Audrey has to buff this out because I'm not a real makeup artist.
For the record, neither am I.
On camera, it barely shows. Barely.
Yeah, it looks fine on the camera I was looking for. Yeah. Ooh, damn.
Boys don't know what it's like to get ready for an event. They don't know what it's like to really try to look good for somebody. And if they do, then you have a really good boyfriend. Basically what I just did is I mixed Born This Way with Marc Jacobs just because they're both like the most lifelike foundations that I have. So I figured that they would work. Now I'm going to do a cream contour with this Smashbox foundation and like soft contour stick thing. It's like dual ended, but I really only use like the contour side. Ooh, that looks cut, son. Your man's. Bam, now I'm gonna just set my face. Okay, now I'm gonna do eyebrows, which for me is just taking Anastasia's clear brow gel and like making sure my eyebrows don't move. This is actually a Sephora blush brush, but I use it for contour. I'm just gonna take shade Lost Soul from the Pirates of the Caribbean like cheek palette thing because I feel like it's like a really subtle sort of bronzer for this because oh my god, wait, this just like fell out. Like there's gold all over the ground.
Oh, fuck.
What? Fuck, okay.
It's one of those days.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna use this for like a soft, or not like a soft cut. It's already not soft, but like I'm trying to make it soft with it. I'm gonna layer highlighters today for that sort of like goddessy, like super layered gold effect. And so I'm gonna be using shade Destined from Pirates of the Caribbean to start off because it's like a very like skin-like gold, so it'd be easy to like blend with something else. I slept on this highlighter and it is like fantastic. Next, I'm gonna be dipping into shades Sweet Dream and Frostbite in Kylie's Wet Set palette. It was the holiday edition with the glitter. I don't know if the regular one has the same shades, but if you have this exact same palette, you will be able to also use these colors. Alright, I'm also gonna do pink for a sort of like blushy effect. Next, I'm gonna be taking this small packing brush for my inner corner and brow bone, and I'm gonna be taking shade Dreamer from the Norvina palette and putting it in there and there again in case you missed that. Okay, we're skipping liner today and just doing lashes. To really get with the goddessy vibe, I picked these, and I think the brand is Velour, if anyone's ever seen it before, and the kind of lash is called Would I Lie. They have these like sort of like storytelling names. These lashes really give the effect of like looking like lash extensions, which is really nice for people who like natural lashes, or if you're just going for like a natural look like a goddessy sort of like gold like summer vibes. So I picked these up and we'll see how they work tonight. I'm gonna be putting these on today with Kiss lash adhesive, and these are both a first for tonight, so we'll see how this turns out. These lashes are so little that they're actually kind of hard to put on without tweezers, so if you need tweezers, definitely grab them. And next I'm taking the They're Real mascara by Benefit and just putting it on my lashes under to blend them better. Oh yeah, also the lashes do look kind of crazy without liner, so I'm just taking this shade Volatile, which is like a cool tone brown, and I'm gonna like stick it in there to make it kind of smoky so that it blends better. Then I'm gonna take this cool tone brown shade and just buff it underneath the eye so that it's harder to see bags or something, so I actually look like some kind of like ethereal goddess or whatever. For lips today, we're gonna be doing I have Dolce Caramello by Milani 27. I don't know if you can see it like with the reflection, but this is gonna be the lipstick. We're taking Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in shade Fussy, and for a liner I'm using Urban Decay 24-hour Glide On lip pencil. Yeah, 24/7, whatever. Is it gonna do it? Did it do it? Oh, it did it. After applying like a generous amount of like lip liner, you should buff it out with your finger, like so. This creates that like really big mouth like butthole effect. Now we're going with the lipstick, which is like a rosy tone with glitter. It's like a shimmer, not metallic, like a shimmer. Last thing is the gloss. Bitch! Okay, wait. I always forget to do this on camera, but I do spray like everything that I do. I hope that people did not completely follow my lead and just never spray anything before they left the house. I'm gonna go in double time with some all-nighter because I didn't come to play no fucking games, son. There's 2 cabs! This is the final makeup, just so everyone sees like up close. And now I'm gonna back up so you can see the outfit and everything. Just to let you know, before I get into the outfit, I am wearing these dangly earrings. I like to wear these instead of hoops to bigger events because I feel like, I don't know why, I feel like the dangly earrings are just like more formal than hoops. Like actually, like I don't know why, I just do. And then they have like the tree of life on them, which doesn't really mean anything like in relation to the outfit. Wait, that's kind of funny because I'm trying to be a goddess, so didn't pick that up or put that together, but this is like a heart, thank you. And just so you know, like we did this off camera because like we were like shit, like we just didn't realize that like the camera was off. I use this Hawaiian Tropic like sheer touch sunscreen, and I put it all over my body before events because it's slightly tinted and it has reflex in it that aren't harsh, so when you go out it doesn't look like you're wearing glitter, but in pictures your skin looks like fantastic. So I put this on before like any major event, especially because as you're about to see, I'm scantily clad. Okay, you guys, so I'm serving serious Vegas wedding vibes today. This like two-piece set I put together at Windsor, and that's been my spot for a little while now for really cute outfits for parties and stuff. This is just like a little wrap skirt, which isn't actually wrapped. I didn't have to like do anything complicated. I'm wearing like tan seamless underwear, which is how I was able to get a sort of look of really looking like I'm not wearing underwear, because believe me, I am. And right now I'm wearing this top. This is almost fully lace in the front, and the back has like, let me feel, it's lace and satin, and I thought that it was just badass, to be completely honest with you. I'm wearing pasties underneath here. I don't know if you can see them. They're working really well so far. I like, you know, just like keep them warm so they stick on your skin, which like is easy to do like when you're dancing and stuff at a party, but I'm not there yet. So per usual, I'm wearing my tan heels, which you can't see in the frame, and I'm like, I really can't think of any other way to show you. I bought tan heels for events just because they're trending right now. They're really in, so like why not just have them and wear them instead of like having to buy shoes that match every single outfit that you have, because like, especially me, like I have so many outfits, I go to so many events, and like I just do too many things to have shoes that specifically match like everything. So having these nude shoes really helps me for basically like anything that I get invited to. I'll end up wearing them just because it's like they literally match with everything like pretty seamlessly. So this is it. I hope you guys like it. A really natural but like cut a bitch beat, you know? And if you like it, comment and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your grandma. Bye!